No, I'm sure we saw that pizza left over from 2 weeks ago.
Didn't we eat it yesterday?
No, wasn't that the other leftovers?
No, I'm pretty sure we ate it yesterday.
What are you eating?
Probably nothing.
No, wait. I think I have it. Hang on.
No, right in the back. Alright. Whoa. Hey, Austin. This is a big fridge.
Yeah, pizza's gotta be in here somewhere.
Let's take a look.
Yeah, let's It's a dead end. I think the pizza might be in
Welcome.
Is what? But is that?
Oh my.
Pretty sure we ate it yesterday.
What are you eating?
Probably nothing.
Hi, I'm Lachlan,
And I'm Austin.
and if you like the video, you can click for more.
And please feel free to subscribe.
Alright, bye.
Bye.